Good day. So we are working now on Ford Fiesta, so with a check engine light and powertrain malfunction indicator light appeared on the dash. So that is the port location for the OBD. As we can see, when we start the engine, there's a check engine light, and the one that flashes is the powertrain fault indicator light or malfunction light for the powertrain. So for the situation, we need to scan what is the possible cause of that indicator light appeared for powertrain and check engine light. So as we notice, it has a fault of turbine and input shaft speed sensor A. So this is the part number for that particular parts for speed sensor A of the input in turbine shaft. So this is Ford Fiesta. Usually also the same location for Ecosport and some other same like Ford Focus. The location of the sensor is almost the same for the transmission. So usually it have a 3 sensor in the transmission outside for the speed sensors. So this is the location of sensor A for turbine input shaft speed sensor. Okay, so we have an access of the under the fender on passenger side, so we can remove the sensor from here using 8mm socket. Okay, when removing this, there's a washer for this particular sensor. Actually, this 3 sensor have washer. So this plate. So don't forget to return it back when we change the sensor. Otherwise, it will give us a problem in the same fault code when we forgot to return it back. So this is the new sensor. You will put or install it. Okay, after installing this sensor, so we need again to clear the code, especially in the check engine. Okay, so now we are going to start the engine. As we can see, the powertrain indicator light automatically disappeared, but the check engine light is still there. So we need to scan if there's another fault, or and then we need to reset or delete the fault that is still on the computer memory. So after resetting or deleting the fault, if there's no other fault that the computer may read, then now the vehicle is okay. So as we can see, as we start the engine, the fault is gone. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.